So I just took the skirt and I cut about 4 to 5 inches off of it because it truly looks better. I'll show you it on. So you just take a scissors, you decide where you want to cut, and you just cut straight across. This you could just pull down after. I'll show you how it looks on. I have another pair of shorts that I cut. So you know when you get pants that's too big? If you're a plus size girl, you know I'm a plus size girl that goes up and down. So I could be a size 18 and I could be a size 12, or I could be a size 10. At this point in my life, I was a size 18. These shorts were too big for me, and I was like, I'm not throwing them away. These are my favorite pants, and I was like, I'm not throwing them away. What can I do? Cut them into shorts. I'll show you how these look too. And I have a few other things that I cut that I want to show you that sometimes you have to adjust your clothes to your body. It's not you, it's the clothes. This is a shirt that I got for a birthday gift a few years ago. It's inside out. I never could wear it because it was too tight on my chest area. Because you know, we have a bigger chest area and I always felt like it was about to pop off my body. So what I did is I took some scissors and I just cut straight down the line following the design. And I'll show you guys how it look next. The point of this video is to show you that sometimes you have to cut up things and make them fit your body. Here's another example of some things you have to cut. This shirt was extremely unflattering and I had to cut it to make it more flattering to me. And I'm gonna show you my last thing, which is my shorts from my last video. Let me button them so you don't think I'm out here exposed. Someone wants to call me. It's probably my cousin Joe. Shout out to Joe. If you like Joe, check out the wig collection video. He did make these. These are some jeans that I cut. So these are some ripped up, cut up jeans that have holes all in it. And you know, sometimes your jeans rip right here. Don't throw them away. Make them shorts. So these I kept. This was a small hole and my thighs bursted out. So I wasn't gonna throw my jeans away. So I just made them shorts. And I usually put the safety pin is right here. So this is a trick I use just to hold them together. You can use 2 to 3 safety pins and it makes it look like you have fashion jeans. And these are just pants that I cut. And instead of throwing away all your old jeans that don't fit anymore, cut them, make them. A lot of times you can't find shorts that are outside, that are cute, so why not make your own shorts? So I am a size, I feel like it's so messy. I don't want you guys to think I'm messy. I'm just doing a lot of videos right now. So these are a size 18. These are the pants that I no longer fit because I lost weight. But why throw them away? Why make them sit in the closet and not wear them? Cut them into some shorts. And I kind of like that they're not like super tight. They're loose. They're relaxing. They're size 18, so it makes me feel skinny. I can relax. I can put a big shirt. I could wear no shirt. It doesn't make my fat bulge over. And I think they're really cute. Like I said, I just cut some jeans. These were regular jeans in the winter when I was bigger, and now they're shorts in the summer. And these were also pants that got a hole in it. So all I did was cut where the hole was and make shorts. Simple, guys, simple. Tell me what you think. This was the skirt. The skirt originally was about right here. It looked horrible on my shape. I'm not a really shapely girl. I do have curves. My curves are like here. I have lines. You know, my lines are not in the front as much as they are to my side profile. So this skirt looked horrible on my body. I remember when I bought it, jean skirts were like a thing. It was like years ago, and I just had it. And I was like, I can't throw it away. I never wore it. This summer, I decided to cut it about 3 inches off it. And now I love it. I wear it so much. And it's just cute. And the denim skirt never goes out of style. I bought this when I was really, really young. So this is a top I got for my birthday. And I loved it. But when I put it on, I was a size 18 and it didn't fit. Now I'm about a size 14 and it does fit. The problem was when it was closed, this is how it looked on my body. This is how it was originally designed, like this. And as you can see, it's not too tight right now because I have lost weight. But you see it's bursting open though. But when I was bigger, this was bigger. My back was bigger. And it just looked like it was about to rip off my body like that. I cut it down the line into the thing. And now I wear it like this. I want you guys to know that sometimes it's not you, it's your clothes. You also don't have to wear clothes the way they are designed. So this is the way the shirt was designed. Besides that, cut that open. I usually would tuck it in. And you can show skin on fit girls. You can. It makes you look more attractive. And you can wear shirts any way you want. I like it better like this. So don't get in the habit of wearing clothes the way you see other people wear them. Wear them the way they fit you. If you have any questions down below about how I did this, take scissors, follow lines. The best way to cut clothes is to follow the natural lines of the clothes. For example, hems, sewing lines, fashion lines, design lines. Let me know what you think down below about the video. And it does have pockets. Look, cute, right? And I think this is the last DIY I have for you guys. Oh, no, I have one more. If you have a shirt that's too big for you, you lost weight, cut it up. This is not the only way to cut shirts. I like to cut shirts off the shoulder as well, down the arms as well. Sometimes I cut big t-shirts and leave out the sides and tie bows. There's many ways you can cut shirts, but this one just worked for this design. Okay, so you can buy shirts like this, or you can just take your old shirts, your old t-shirts you wear to sleep in, and make them cute. So let me know what you guys think about these transformations down below. Whole new outfit. And I'll see you guys next time.